Embracing tradition, the health benefits of kanji, India's fermented winter drink. As winter settles in, there is a growing trend among health-conscious individuals to revert to traditional remedies that have stood the test of time. One such hidden gem from Indian households is kanji, a fermented drink revered for its numerous health benefits, particularly during the colder months. With a unique blend of ingredients and flavors, kanji not only enhances immunity and metabolism, but also offers a delightful array of tastes that can warm the body and soul. This winter, explore the world of kanji and discover the various types that can elevate your health and well-being. What is kanji? Kanji is a traditional fermented beverage made primarily from a variety of vegetables, spices, herbs, and water. Rich in probiotics, kanji has gained recognition for its ability to promote digestion and bolster the immune system. As a quintessential winter remedy, kanji offers a delicious way to incorporate health-boosting nutrients into your diet. With its refreshing acidity and tanginess, kanji serves as a perfect complement to the hearty and warming foods typically enjoyed during this season. 1. Carrot kanji, a vitamin A powerhouse. Carrot kanji stands out as one of the most popular variations of this fermented drink. Made from grated carrots, mustard seeds, black salt, and a medley of spices, this vibrant orange-hued beverage is not only visually appealing, but also packed with essential vitamins, particularly vitamin A. The naturally sweet and tangy flavor profile, combined with a hint of spice, makes it a delightful alternative to sugary beverages. Carrot kanji's warming effect is especially beneficial during winter, while the probiotics contribute to better digestion, keeping your energy levels high throughout the season. 2. Beetroot Kanji, antioxidant-rich and earthy. Beetroot Kanji captures attention with its deep purple hue and earthy sweetness. Created by fermenting grated beetroot alongside spices such as black salt, red chili powder, and mustard seeds, this drink is celebrated for its detoxifying properties and high antioxidant content. The immune-boosting qualities of beetroot kanji are particularly advantageous during winter, a time when susceptibility to illness increases. Additionally, the warmth it provides promotes better circulation, making it an ideal choice for cold days. 3. Mango kanji, a tropical twist for winter. While typically associated with summer, mango kanji can also be enjoyed during winter, providing an enticing tropical flavor. This variant utilizes fermented mango pulp, mustard seeds, and an assortment of spices to create a delightful balance of sweetness and spice. Though fresh mangoes may not be in season, preserved or dried mangoes capture the essence of the fruit beautifully. Mango kanji not only aids digestion, but also boosts energy levels due to its rich vitamin profile. Its tangy warmth makes it an excellent choice for hydration and comfort during the cold months. 4. Radish Kanji, sharp and spicy. Radish Kanji offers a unique flavor experience with its sharp and slightly bitter profile. Made from grated radishes combined with spices like mustard seeds, red chili powder, and cumin seeds, this drink is both tangy and invigorating. The fermentation process mellows the bitterness of radishes, resulting in a flavorful beverage that's perfect for winter. Radishes are known for their warming properties, which, combined with the spicy kick from mustard seeds, create a comforting warmth that is particularly welcome on chilly days. 5. Cucumber Kanji, light and refreshing. For those seeking a milder option, Cucumber Kanji presents a refreshing alternative. This variant is crafted from grated cucumbers, salt, black pepper, and mustard seeds, yielding a lighter, hydrating drink. The subtle, cooling flavor of cucumber provides a pleasant contrast to the more robust kanji types, while the fermentation process enhances its digestibility. Despite cucumber's association with cooling properties, fermented cucumber kanji retains its hydrating benefits and slight tanginess, making it an excellent choice for a refreshing winter drink. 6. Mixed vegetable kanji, a nutrient powerhouse. For those who appreciate a medley of flavors, mixed vegetable kanji is an exceptional choice. Combining a variety of root vegetables such as carrots, beets, and radishes with mustard seeds, spices, and salt, this version creates a complex and flavorful beverage. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and nutrients from various vegetables, mixed vegetable kanji boosts immunity during the cold months, while the fermentation process enhances the digestibility of the ingredients. The warmth from the spices adds an extra layer of comfort, making it a perfect companion for winter meals. As the chill of winter sets in, embracing traditional remedies like kanji can offer a host of health benefits while providing a comforting, delicious drink. With its rich probiotic content and diverse flavor profiles, kanji is not just a beverage, but a celebration of India's culinary heritage. Whether you prefer the vibrant sweetness of carrot kanji or the earthy richness of beetroot kanji, these fermented drinks are sure to enhance your winter experience, nourishing your body and boosting your immunity. So, this season, indulge in the warmth and vitality of kanji and explore the fascinating world of traditional Indian health remedies.